chemical, guys. Is it any good? We about to find out. Oh man, guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. In this video, we are going to do a product review. Chemical, guys, Hydro Slick ceramic coating hyper wax. I just recently painted the car, so I want to protect it with something that won't necessarily break the bank, but at the same time does really good work. So I wanted to try this, and basically what it is pretty much a ceramic coat. I don't know, I never used this before. I use Chemical, guys, leather cleaner for my seats. That works really good, but never used the ceramic coat. So I literally just got done washing the car. Man, it looks so good. We finna dry it off and finna walk you through the steps of applying the Hydro Slick ceramic coating on it. So let's go ahead and do that. That was just the roof and the trunk. Ooh, man, that looks so good. Okay, guys, let me go ahead and read the instructions for the Hydro Slick Hyper Wax. Directions: always apply to a cool, clean, and dry surface out of direct sunlight. Shake well. I'm not sure how well I can shake it with a full bottle. Start off by washing the entire car with your favorite Chemical, guys, shampoo. I washed the car. Don't worry about what shampoo I used. Sorry. Spread Hydro Slick all over painted surfaces. Well, guys, you hear it. That's the instructions. We finna just go ahead and apply this on the car. Everywhere where there's white paint at and black paint. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, I am done with, I'm out of breath. I am done with applying the Hydro Slick Chemical, guys, ceramic wax, whatever it is. I gotta let it sit for 2 to 3 hours. Finna go to work tomorrow. I work 20 minutes away, so I gotta get on the highway. That'll be the test for like bugs and stuff like that. When I get off work, I'm coming back, 20 minutes back again. I'll see you tomorrow on how it's holding up, so tomorrow. All right, guys, we're back and the garage is cleaned out. I know I said I was gonna get back with you the next day, but it ended up being a couple of days, almost a week, because I was just driving it around. But when I drove my car to work, everything and anything that happened pretty much happened. Somebody was cutting the grass on the interstate. I was on the interstate, so it had grass and leaves and stuff blowing up in the air. A truck in front of me looked like they just got done off-roading or something like that. Mud was hitting the ground and dirt and stuff like that, and it was hitting on the front of the car. Then you got a dump truck with look like maybe some rock or some powder or something. I don't know, some random stuff that's just all in the air, and unfortunately my car was behind it. But luckily that Chemical, guys, Hydro Slick coating, I mean, come on, guys, the proof is in the pudding, as they say. It still look amazing. Look like I literally just got done detailing it. There's a marking right here, probably from a bug, or it came off of something, maybe a rock or something like that ran over it. But look at this. And it's gone. If you saw what I went through, what I drove through, and what I had to get to work, and the fact that the car still looked like this, it's amazing. But what's a ceramic coat test without a little bit of agua, H2O? Not too bad. I must say, guys, this is a pretty good product. Do I approve? Yes. Yes, I do. This is a very good product. If you want to check out the product, link down below. This is the stuff right here, man. Definitely check it out. I will see you guys in the next video, okay?